Emma, a recent college graduate, feels overwhelmed by the world of investing. She wants to start building her financial future but has little knowledge about stocks. Determined to learn, she sets out on a journey to understand how beginners can confidently invest in the stock market. Rising action. Emma begins by researching basic concepts: what stocks are, how the market works, and key terms like dividends and market capitalization. She discovers the importance of setting clear financial goals and establishing an emergency fund before investing. Emma learns about different types of stocks and the value of diversification to reduce risk. She opens a beginner-friendly brokerage account and experiments with virtual stock trading platforms to gain practical experience without risking real money. Climax. Emma faces a pivotal moment when she must decide which stocks to purchase with her first investment funds. Despite advice from friends urging quick profits through risky trades, Emma chooses a balanced portfolio of well-researched blue-chip stocks and index funds aligned with her long-term goals. Falling action. Over the following months, Emma monitors her investments, learning to cope with market fluctuations while staying focused on her objectives. She continues educating herself about financial reports and economic indicators, growing more confident in making informed decisions. Resolution. Emma's thoughtful approach pays off as her portfolio steadily grows. She becomes an advocate for beginner investors, sharing her journey and emphasizing that successful stock investing is about patience, knowledge, and discipline rather than quick gains. Through Emma's story, beginners understand that anyone can start investing wisely by taking small steps grounded in education and strategy. Introduction. Meet Sarah, a young professional eager to build her financial future but overwhelmed by the complexities of the stock market. She's heard stories of fortunes made and lost, and wonders how she can start investing wisely without risking everything. Rising action. Sarah begins her journey by researching basic concepts, understanding what stocks are, how the market operates, and the importance of diversification. She encounters conflicting advice online. Some suggest day trading for quick profits, others advocate long-term investing. Confused but determined, Sarah decides to consult a financial advisor who emphasizes starting small, setting clear goals, and focusing on companies she understands. She opens a brokerage account, learns about different order types, and begins tracking a few stocks using simple metrics like price-to-earnings ratio and dividend yield. Climax. As Sarah gains confidence, she faces her first real test, a sudden market dip triggered by unexpected news. Tempted to sell everything in panic, she recalls her advisor's guidance about market volatility being normal. Instead of reacting impulsively, she reviews her goals and investment strategy carefully. Falling action. Sarah holds onto her investments through the downturn. Over time, she watches as the market recovers and her portfolio grows steadily. She continues learning, reading annual reports, understanding company fundamentals, and diversifying into index funds for added stability. Resolution. Months later, Sarah reflects on her journey from confusion to clarity. She understands that successful investing is not about quick wins but patience, research, and disciplined decision-making. With newfound confidence and a solid foundation in stock investment principles, Sarah is ready to build wealth sustainably, demonstrating that anyone can start investing wisely with the right approach.